A wire with a length of 106 inches is cut into two parts. One part has a length of x inches and the other part has a length of y inches. The value of x is 6 more than 4 times the value of y. What is the value of x? Since x and y are the lengths of the two parts of the wire, when I add x and y, that is equal to the total length of the wire, that is 106 inches. Now let's consider the other information. That is, the value of x is 6 more than 4 times of y. That is, x equals to 6 more than 4 times of y. It can be written as 4y positive 6. Here we have a system of two linear equations. In this system, we have to solve for x. That is, we have to get the value of x. Now we can use Desmos to solve the given system. Okay, now let me take these two equations in Desmos. That is, x positive y equals to 106. And now let me take the second equation. That is, x equals to 4y positive 6. Okay, now to get the solution for this system, let's consider the point of intersection of the two lines. At the point of intersection of the two lines, the x coordinate is 86. So in this system, the value of x is 86. We find 86 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.